25 years ago, realtor Monique Baugh went to show a house in Maple Grove and never came home. Prosecutors say she was lured there, then kidnapped and shot in a Minneapolis alley.
4 people received life sentences in the case, but today the Minnesota Supreme Court reversed Elsa Segura's conviction and is sending her case back to the lower courts.
Morgan Wolf talked to legal experts about the case. Morgan?
In 2021, a jury found Segura guilty on 4 charges in relation to Baugh's death. Today, the decision reversed 2 of them, aiding and abetting first-degree premeditated murder and premeditated attempted murder. She is now entitled to a new trial.
In a 50-page opinion, the Minnesota State Supreme Court details why they reversed Elsa Segura's conviction, pointing to 2 issues: insufficient evidence and jury instructions. Starting with the evidence, Segura, a former probation officer, admitted in court she set up a fake home showing with Monique Baugh to help her boyfriend, Lyden Wiggins. Prosecutors say that Wiggins had a falling out with Baugh's boyfriend, John Mitchell Momo. Segura testifying that she didn't know of the plan to kidnap and kill Baugh. Prosecutors argued there was circumstantial evidence that could lead Segura to knowing about the plan, such as using her job resources to see her boyfriend's violent record.
Yes.
Attorney Shauna Kiefer, not affiliated with this case, says circumstantial evidence isn't enough.
If what we're basing it on is circumstantial evidence, there can't be a different hypothesis that's reasonable other than guilt.
As for the jury instructions, she says the high court found parts of it too vague.
When viewed together, these instructions misstate the law because by their plain language, they allow the jury to convict Segura of kidnapping for the actions of others without reaching the issue of her liability.
Kiefer adds she was surprised at the detail in the court's decision.
In this case, they were still incredibly thoughtful and really went through the law here, and I think they got it correct.
We reached out to the Hennepin County Attorney's Office that sent us this statement. Following the Minnesota Supreme Court opinion issued today, the case reverts to its status just before the trial. Ms. Segura will be transported back to Hennepin County Jail to face the 2 remaining counts of first-degree murder while committing a kidnapping and kidnapping to commit great bodily harm or terrorize. If found guilty on those 2 remaining charges, it would still carry up to a life sentence in prison.